this going? Okay, so this is a bonus video on the immunology chapters. So immunology is the study of the immune system, and then immunity is our body's way of protecting itself from a harmful invasion from like viruses, diseases. So our immune system is based off the memory of a virus or a pathogen and when it was encountered, and then the specificity of the attack on it when it's encountered again. Our immune system does not attack itself unless we have an autoimmune disease. The major functions of our immune system are to, number one, recognize the cells that don't belong and remove them and to protect our body. There are two lines of defense for our immune system, which is physical, and so our skin, and then chemical barriers. And the three major parts of our immune system are like our lymphoid tissues, immune cells, and then chemicals that coordinate the responses. So the responses of the immune system, there's two of them. It's innate response or acquired response. The innate response is the nonspecific immune response, so it involves inflammation by the cytokines. And then the acquired response, or adaptive immunity, is the specific immune response, and it's cell-mediated. So what I was saying before about the lymphoid tissues, immune cells, and the chemicals. So the lymphoid tissues are located throughout our whole body, and there's two categories of them, the primary and the secondary lymphoid tissues. And then there are tons of immune cells in our bodies, and the main ones are the phagocyte immune cells, which are the neutrophils, eosinophils, monocytes, and macrophages. And there's two ways for phagocytosis to happen. So one way is that the pathogen like directly binds to the receptor on the cell, or the other one is that the antibodies have to cover the bacteria cell before it can be ingested by the immune cells. In the acquired immune response, we produce antibodies, and those are T lymphocytes, B lymphocytes included. T lymphocytes are cell-mediated, and so for viruses relating to COVID-19, the only way we can get over a virus is to kill our infected cells in our body, but in long term, if the virus gets bad enough, we're killing cells that can't replicate quick enough or replicate at all, and so it diminishes that body's function, like in your lungs. So it can be pretty bad, and our immune system can't keep up. But for the most part, our immune system does protect us from invaders.